Hello, everyone. This is Geo, and I am here to show you how to add a moderator to your channel by going to the channel and copying the link and putting it in the moderator box. So here we go. Say, for instance, you want to make the information girls a moderator on your channel, but you're not live yet, because if you're live, you can hit the three dots and make them a moderator that way. But if you're not live and you want to make them a moderator before you go live, all you would do is type in uh, the person's channel. Okay, that channel will come up. The next thing you do is copy the link from the browser, their channel link from the browser. So you're going to copy. Next, you want to go to your icon here, then to your YouTube studio. Once in the YouTube studio, you want to scroll down to settings. Next, you want to go to your community tab here. Next, you want to click inside the box, okay? If you have any other moderators in this box, you want to scroll down to your last moderator, then click inside the box. Paste in that channel link. That icon for the channel will come up here. You would click the name of that channel, put it in the box, and then save it here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you add a moderator to your channel by going to their channel. This is Geo of the Information Girls. If you have not subscribed to the Information Girls, please do so today. And remember to hit that bell to receive all the uploads that we upload daily. With that said, make it a great day.